AndrewT is back. Welcome to another episode of AndrewT. I'm your host as always, AndrewT, and on today's webisode, I have gone to the Apple Store and grabbed a iPhone XS Max. But this guy's old. It's been out since September already, and it's already January. As I was saying, we went to the Apple Store today, and we have the iPhone XS Max. Tongue twister too, saying that. But we have the battery wireless charging case. So essentially, from what I'm told, this supports wireless charging, meaning we can just pop it onto a wireless charger and it's going to charge right up, as well as charge the iPhone wirelessly. So let's check it out. Yeah, I forgot the surprise. The surprise is we're on double duty today. We get to check out the white one and the black one for which is clearly the biggest iPhone ever created, but we're gonna make it bigger and make the battery last a little bit longer too. So as always with any Apple product, we start at the top. We tear this little guy right here off, and then we will pull apart our case. Typically, Apple makes it very easy to unbox whatever item you're getting from them. Not only is it easy to unbox the item, but it's a good feeling unboxing it. The whole process makes you feel like you're part of everything that they do. It's like a gift to you. It's like somebody went through a lot of trouble giving you a wonderful present that comes neatly together, nice and put together neatly, if that makes sense. But essentially, as I'm saying, slide it right out of the case, and you can see that guy right here. And we take our charging case off the holder, as you can see. So essentially, I thought this battery case wirelessly charged the phone, but looking at it, it has a connector piece right there at the bottom that connects into your phone. So what's gonna happen is this part goes on a wireless charger and charges, and then charges your phone via connector. But you also get a connector right at the bottom, so you don't have to take it in and out the case to charge it. So that's nice. Feels strong, sturdy. Okay, as always, literature, everything that is anything always comes with literature, and more literature. That's it. So we open this guy up, and case is right here. Nothing else in the case. Maybe some Apple stickers in here somewhere. You know, Apple always gives us those stickers, so we can check that out. But as I said, today we have double duty. So let's get to opening up the white one. Same thing. Tear the tab. Pop the case, take it off the holder. Okay, set that guy right there. Literature, more literature, more literature. And that's it. So, we'll slide that up there. As you can see, we have our chargers nice and neat. As with any Apple case, it's the leather texture. You know, you typically only get two choices with Apple when it comes to these cases. It's the silicone or leather, and this is no different. You have your leather case, battery pack, a little hump. That's it. All right, guys, we're gonna try it on real quick. Let's try the white one out since we have the white or silver iPhone, as they call it. Essentially, you push. Oh, okay, this one's made a little bit easier. So all you do is bend this back, slide it right in, and you slide it right down. Bam. Once it slides onto the connector, put it right there. Ooh. Okay, so essentially, as I just connected it to the phone, A second battery just popped up here showing the smart battery case. So let's go over to our widgets because I have my battery widget right here. Yes, and you can see it shows the smart battery case. So essentially, every product that you get made by Apple will show up on your battery meter. I have the watch, I have the AirPods, and all these items show up on your battery widget. So little tip for anybody using multiple items from Apple that carry a battery. You know what? I thought I wouldn't like the case, but the fact that the case is so connected to the Apple brand, you actually get the battery integrated with the iOS system. I'm liking the case a little bit more, but I'm gonna be honest, right out the gate, $129 for a case, not something I'm looking to spend. And you will definitely have more of my opinion about the case after playing around with it a little bit more. Oh, well, wanted to try it out with the black case. Okay, there it goes. Okay. Nice grip. Too big, too bulky, but I will like having the extra battery life. The only thing I don't like is you can't see the back of your iPhone. So for those that like the colored models, since the front of all the XSs are this black screen, which I still don't get why we're not at the white screen yet. You know, Apple fixed that right away. I've been waiting for my white screen like back in the iPhone 6s's days. But anyway, we're gonna try this case out, see how it works, and that's pretty much it. But in the meantime, thank you guys for joining us here at AT Tech. I hope you join us for more episodes. I am your host, as always, AndrewT. This was AT Tech, and we are out. Deuces.